Hi, this is Shamita Shetty and you're watching me on Femina.in. Please like, share and subscribe to Femina. I am wearing a Punit Balana outfit and it is absolutely stunning. This is so comfortable. I love cottons, linens, mulls, and probably that's one of the reasons I love this outfit. It's so comfortable, especially during summers, Mumbai heat. Yeah, I feel really pretty in this outfit. Something should be a mystery, no? But well, I am an introvert and a lot of people unfortunately think that I come across rather a little rude sometimes because of that, but actually that's not my intention. I'm just an introvert. The shoes, yeah, that's the first thing I noticed. However late I come back, I make it a point to take off my makeup and I mean whatever little I have on my face and moisturize my face really well. Coconut oil. I use coconut oil on my hair. Try to oil my hair at least once a week. Less is more. It's not really a secret, but not many people follow that. Whatever I do, I like to use a lot of mascara, whether it's day makeup, night makeup, lots of mascara on the upper lashes and the lower lashes. Lipstick, lip balm, and maybe kajal. I think basic blue ripped jeans with a white t-shirt can never go out of style. Maybe boyfriend jeans, ripped boyfriend jeans. I think they're comfortable and they'll never go out of style. Hey guys, so I've shared some of my beauty tips. I hope they help you all in some way. And it was a lot of fun speaking to all of you guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye.